All right, traders, we got a minute until the market opens on up today. A brand new day, guys. Excited for today. Lots of good opportunities. MDGS, I'm watching this because I think this one could get pumped here at the start of the day. I'm not saying it is, but I'm saying it fits the criteria of that certain someone who likes to pump these things. Yesterday was GSUM, straight up, straight down. Like the day before that, I think was WORX, straight up, straight down. It could be MDGS. This has a catalyst, not the greatest catalyst in the world. They're planning to expand their portfolio. Well, guess what? I got a lot of plans too. They haven't necessarily come to fruition though. So this one could get a pump here at the start. I located some shares to short on it. I got 300 shares. Is this one going to end up pumping? We'll see. MDGS, this one has the 200-day moving average at 360, which is going to be tough resistance. It's going to blow past that if the chat room's behind it though. Also, this one in the past has made huge moves before. I mean, look at this. All the way from $1 to $32. This one is known for its history of ripping, but guess what? It's also known for pulling back, giving back all of its gains. These stocks always, over time, do what Warren Buffett said. They gravitate back towards their intrinsic value. That's why we see all these upper shadows and it just downtrending, downtrending, downtrending. So I did locate some shorts on this. If you guys want me to do a video on that, on how to do it with CMEG, I will certainly do that to help you guys out. RBZ was our leading gapper this morning, and we're getting a little bit of a morning spike here as well. What's happening with RBZ is a lot of traders that traded SOLO yesterday are eager to go long on something. And because of SOLO, we'll pull that chart up for you guys that aren't familiar with that. Yesterday, SOLO was a big short squeeze all throughout the day. And I bet this company is going ballistic in their conference room right now saying, oh my goodness, we're taking off. But guys, it's essentially a pump and dump. I mean, this one squeezed some shorts out. It might have its next leg up today. There might be still some shorts underwater. It's always the stocks that are not supposed to squeeze that are the ones that do it. Still have my shorts here on MDGS. Just wanted to see if we're going to end up getting that pump on it. That's why I'm being careful there because it is a low float stock. MTFB, this one I saw this morning around 265, 270. It didn't scoop it up. This one really sold on off from $10 down to $2. You guys know I love buying that fear. This one came out with some news this morning. The FDA didn't approve their drug. They just said they needed more information on it. It wasn't like they completely ended the rodeo there. They just needed more information on it. That's why I was looking to really pick this one up. I feel like I'd be chasing at this point if I was getting into it. So I might be avoiding it right now. But the scanner is really highlighting a lot of stocks this morning. It's because people are eager to get into something after SOLO. FUV is really pushing on up here from 360. Let's see if I have shorts available on that. No, I don't. MDGS, I got my 300 shares I located still. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to use them today though. SOLO, this one did a little bit of a red to green move, and we're still pushing on up. This one's a little tricky because we don't really have clear indicators on where it's going to top out at. I mean, we have an upper shadow at 750. RBZ really pulling on off right now. Hit 250. 250 was going to be resistance if we look at the daily here. We got some upper shadows here around 250. That's where it looks like it's trying to top out at right now. Now, because this is the leading gapper, just like SOLO was yesterday, we could see a really big U-shape on it over the day and it continue up. Will it happen? You know, it shouldn't happen on this stock, but it certainly could because it is the leading gapper this morning. SOLO was the leading gapper yesterday. SOLO topping up there at 666. I don't know if I want to trade this now. But today, traders, there's going to be a lot of eagerness to go long and bag hold. We're going to see that a lot more, and additionally to that, we're going to see shorts maybe not be so eager to get in on a short position because of SOLO yesterday. SOLO really awoke the beast yesterday. That's why we're seeing some other stocks out there that are moving right now. Traders, I'm thinking about getting into MTFB and setting a stop on it. That's what I'm really thinking about right here. Average cost of 292. I'm going to set a stop below this VWAP and take the princess out to eat for Valentine's Day. How about that? I told you guys my biggest problem right now is not letting these work for me. So I'm going to let this one work for me a little bit. Initially, I wanted this at like 240. Didn't end up taking that. But right now, I'm going to get into this, see if it can work for me here today a little bit. But this is going to be my only trade here today. Not anything out there I'm really in love with. SOLO is really still working hard right now. It's just this one, I don't know if it's a high probability setup for me. It's way overextended. I don't have shorts for it. I'd have to go long here on it, and I'm not necessarily comfortable doing that on a stock that's up this much. All right, guys, I just added a few shares down at 275. I got 400 shares, average price of 284. Going to set my stop in the day right there. Guys, let me know how you did in the comment section below on today's video. Hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Do something special for your snookins. And guys, we will see you all tomorrow morning.